How to send a TikTok video in WhatsApp without link. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to send TikTok video in WhatsApp without any link. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application, and once you're inside here, so if you want to send this video on WhatsApp without link, so let me just show you an example. Just click on the share button over here, and if you select WhatsApp just like this and select any of the person just like this and click on send from over here, you can see it is sending the video link with the actual link as well. So we don't want to do that over here. So in that case, instead what you can do is just come back to your TikTok and once again click on share button over here and make sure the video is savable first. If your video is not savable, you can also screen record the particular video which you want to send them. So in this case my video is savable, so I'll just click on the save video option over here. So once I click on save video, now all you have to do is just head back to your WhatsApp, and once you come over to your WhatsApp, just click on any of the chat and simply click on this camera icon over here and just head over to your gallery section and select that particular video which we just downloaded, and you can simply click on send button over here to simply send the video just like that without any link. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.